So this is episode 1 of the Half-Life 2 playthrough. Let's play, whatever you want to call it.
Mr. Freeman, rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until...
This guy is just...
Well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world.
The difference.
So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
I didn't see you get on.
Only says it for 5 seconds. Floor's low. Oh, we did. Yes, whatever. Okay, run this.
Well,
Run this before.
end of the line.
2 minutes ago when it failed.
Welcome. Welcome to City 17.
This stuff, it's all I have left.
You
the only ones on that train?
To relocate to
All right,
one
I'm
of our
moving.
finest remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish my administration here in the citadel so thoughtfully provided by our benefactor. I've been proud to call City 17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way, welcome to City 17. It's safe.
This must be a mistake. I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
I'm gonna need me some privacy for this.
About that beer I owed you. It's me, Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa. Hey, sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the cameras. I've been working undercover with
book.
civil protection. I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my beating quota.
No, I'm not.
Yes, Barney, what
Just
is
kidding.
it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman. I expected more warning.
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect.
Well, Barney, what do you intend?
I'm thinking.
Alex is around here somewhere. She would have a better idea how to get him here.
Oh, as long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay. Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
Very well. And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Oh, man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover.
I'm gonna blow your cover a little bit before.
Pile up some stuff to get through that window and keep going till you're in the plaza. I'll meet up with you later.
Damn it.
Let me read a letter I recently received. Dear Dr. It has the seem fit to suggest our reproductive cycle. Sincerely, concerned citizen.
I just wanted a freaking shortcut, but
Thank you for
no,
writing.
I have to go
Concern.
around.
Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological impulses. With all its associated hopes and fears for the future of the species. I also detect some conspiracies.
Okay, I won't watch your logs here. Random innocent person. Yeah, garbage can used to get. Oh yeah. I heard it. Okay, I don't want it. Do they shoot at me or do they just flash me? Oh yeah. I don't like those guys. Big spider things. So annoying to kill. What do you want? Yourself. Go away.
What?
Why do you want the mouse?
So I can use the other computer?
Go borrow Dad's. But you just put it back before Dad comes back. Yes. You're disturbing my peace. I'm going back upstairs. Okay. I don't think I'm getting here. I'm away.
Engaging protection unit.
What gives them the right to make this kind of decision for all mankind? Will they ever do?
I told you they'd be coming for us next.
Okay.
Can't take it anymore.
What's next?
What are we going to do?
Okay, that's a bathroom.
Every possible
Not where we
question
do.
might have left unvoiced.
Do.
When is it all going to end?
Attention, residents. Miscount detected in your block. Cooperation with your civil protection team.
I'll come in here.
Permit full rather
Okay,
than
so
reward.
no time to lose. I gotta run. Running. Oh, I hear people getting smacked in the face.
This block contains potential civil infection.
Getting smacked in the face.
Inform.
Lightning.
Cooperate.
Get in here,
What
quick.
be next? It's loading.
I don't think those headphones are working.
They're not.